In this video, I will show you how to view watch lists on eBay. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to view your watch list on eBay, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to eBay and log into your account. Once you've logged in, come up to the top right hand corner and hover over this option which says My eBay, and on this menu that comes up, you just want to come down and you're going to see watch list. What you want to do is give that a click. That's going to take you across to your watch list where you can see all your current items that you're watching. So that is how to view watch lists on eBay. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.